ho. Legend ho.
I can't get him! Help me, Rikka and Ayla! This is not healthy! Ah! 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 No!
Legend.
You're so unhelpful! Hi.
I'm gonna ride Western. Yeah. Look at me riding Western.
I don't give a shit! Oh, yes.
This way.
I'm gonna get up if I can.
Mm,
And Rikka and Ayla aren't killing me.
this way. This
Well,
way.
I'm really cold. Oh well.
This way. God damn it.
I'm gonna go home and my mom's gonna be like, oh my god, why are you so wet? I'm like, no.
You fell in a river.
Yeah, I just fell in a cold river.
Legend, you're just a silly, silly horsey, aren't you? Oh! That is, oh, poor Legend. You're just having some trouble. How deep is this on him?
Huh?
How deep is the snow on him? Like, where's it up to?
It covers his hoops.
Okay, that's not too bad. Woo! Ah!
Now it's not that.
Woo! Yay ho! We gotta go this way. Whoa, shit, dude! Naughty, naughty pony! Oh. Did you see that, Dylan?
Yeah.
Did he buck?
What?
Did he buck?
I don't think so.
What did he do?
He just went really fast.
Oh, he started a canter. Come on, Legend. This is impossible. This is impossible to steer the pony.
Put that picture you took of me up on deep art.
I shall. Except it was a video.
This is, and then put the icon.
Except it was a video.
Oh yeah. Well, put it on
Stupid.
YouTube.
I shall.
Good.
Uh-oh. Naughty pony. Oop.